We're in now.
You're coming. Ang sarap. Sarap magtambay dito, guys.
So, Jimmy was saying one of my coworkers, he's got prostate cancer.
Really?
Yeah, he's a Ukrainian guy. I didn't know. Did he get...
So relaxing here. It is. May pulin in
Food free.
there. Diba? Nasuot ko ng pang summer ko. Kasi summer na daw. Sarap dito, guys. Malamig ang panahon. Dami yung breeze. So, nakaka-relax. This is our favorite spot. Diba? And then, nakaupo sa bench. Magpapakain kami ng mga duck. Or, kantay sila. I want food! I want food! You want food? Ano, isang bata doon. They're feeding the duckling and the goose. It's a beautiful day. You're busy, huh?